we can see through this facade of civilization, that will be a good thing. If it leads us to inquire, jivasya tattva jignasa, inquire into the nature of reality beyond this fragile existence. Of course, our existence is fragile anyway. Just like you may have the biggest, strongest body, but it will die. Even doing yoga, you may have very fit and healthy body. You have to die. Our whole existence is very fragile. So this whole hype, this thin veneer that we call civilization, anyway it's bound by time, because no civilization goes on forever. But even the concept that we believe in of civilization, that we're all living happily ever after, as all good fairy stories begin once upon a time and they end, they all lived happily ever after. But it's nonsense, because no one lives happily ever after. Everyone dies. But in the name of civilization, we're accelerating the dying process by abortion, murder, and other kinds of murder, and mechanized slaughterhouses. So much of the intelligence of the world is engaged in making more and more weapons for more and more efficiently killing people. This is not civilization.